So good afternoon. Today we have this lecture which is on inverse of matrix. How we will calculate inverse? So we have adjoint of matrix upon determinant of matrix. Now we have adjoint of matrix, that is transpose of cofactor upon determinant of matrix. And now how we will get this transpose of matrix? We will have given matrix. After this given matrix, actually we will calculate minus. After minus, we are going to calculate cofactors. And after cofactors, we are going to get adjoint. We will solve problems and then from this we are going to get this actually. Now inverse of the matrix. Now we have first 2 by 2. Now how we will go for this 2 by 2? So we will see we have minor of 6. So we have to just delete first column, first row. So we have that is 7 and cofactor 1. 1 means this is 1 plus 1. So value remain plus only. This is 1 plus 2, value will be minus. So if even, then plus or minus. This is a row number and this is column number. First is row number, second is column number. That is R and C. So here we have 2 plus 1. So value will be minus. Means we have to multiply minus by minus 1. Here we have to multiply value by plus 1. Here minus 1. And this is 2 plus 2, then we have to multiply it by plus 1. Then we have 6, then we have minor of 4, then will be 8. So cofactor will be minus 8. And then minor of 8, 6. Cofactor will be minus 6. And minor of 7, sorry, minor of 7, that will be minor of 8, sorry, this will be 4. This will be minus 4 because minor of 8 means we have to remove this column and this row. So 4 and of 7 we have 6. Cofactor will be as it is 6. So now if I will mark this, then we have this as 7 minus 8 minus 4, 6. This will be cofactor. And then what will be adjoint? Transpose of this. And then we have 7 minus 8 minus 4, 6. Now if we will observe, so we have just interchanged these values 7, 6 and the sign of these values are interchanged. So minus 4 minus 8. And then you can see this. So we have this will be adjoint. And then determinant we have 6 into 7 minus 4 into 8, 10. And then we will get inverse, just adjoint upon determinant. And then we can find actually by dividing by this determinant. So we have 7 by 10 minus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. So we have this is my determinant. Now switch over to 3 by 3 matrix. And now here you can see we are with adjoint. Now we will first go for minor. For minor, I will write M, that is 1, 1 for 3. And we have this as 1, 5, 2, 4. Means we have to delete this column, this row. So remained is 1, 5, 2, 4. That will be equal to 4 minus 10. And then we have this will be minus 6. Then we have M1, 2. Now I will directly write. We have 2, 5, 3, 4. 2, 5, 3, 4. Sorry, this is not adjoint. We have this will be minor, and after that I have made it as cofactor. So we have minus 6, then we have 8 minus 15, so minus 7. Then we have M13, so M13, 2, 1, 3, 2. So we have 4 minus 3, we have 1. Then we have M21, 4724. We have 4724. 16 minus 14, 2. Then we have M22. So we have M22. So we have 3734. So 12 minus 21 minus 9. Then we have M23. So we have this value M23. 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. So we have 6 minus 12 minus 6. Then we have M31. So we have M31, 4715. So 20 minus 7 is 13. Then we have M32, M32, 3725. 3725. 15 minus 14, we have 1. And M33, we have 3421. 3421. So 3 minus 8, so we have minus 5. So 1 and minus 5. Now you can see this is my minus. Now if I have to make it as cofactor, so I will go for a sign change. So if I will write it as cofactor, so cofactor, I have to just change the sign of these 4. So this becomes plus 7, this becomes minus 2, this is minus 1, and this will be plus 6. So likewise, we will get it as cofactor, and just adjoint of this will gives me. So transpose of this will gives me adjoint. Now you can see determinant we will find 3 in bracket, 1 into 4 minus 5 into 2, then minus 4 into, so minus 4 into 2 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 5 into 3 plus 7 into 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3, and we will have determinant 17. And then inverse, that is adjoint. So adjoint we have, this will be, these are actually, we have changed this sign. This is not adjoint. We have this as minor, and cofactor we have made. That is, this will be how we will make this cofactor. Just we have seen this. So cofactor we have, I will just change this sign. So cofactors we have cofactor. So we have, this will be plus, this will be minus, this will be minus, this will be plus. So we have to change over these 4 signs. And then you can see minus 6 plus 7. Then we have 1 minus 2 minus 9 plus 6. And then 13 minus 1 minus 5, and divided by determinant. So you can divide all values by 17, will gives you inverse. This is also inverse 1 by 17 into. So now we have some problems which are asked in the GATE examination. This was asked in GATE examination in 2019, and then adjoint we have these values. Now just I will show one. So we have 2. So we have 4 3s are 12. Minus 2, 10. And then we have this will be 10. Then second you can have this row, this column. 4 4s are 16. Minus 1. So 16 minus 1. Then we have plus 15, and we have made it minus because values of this 4 we have to consider it as minus. Then we have for this 4, 8 minus 3, we have 5. Then for 4 we have to go, this will go, and then we have 12 minus 8, 4. So we have made minus 4. So this is not adjoint, actually this is cofactor of the matrix. And then we will have this determinant. Now just I have shown you. So this is minus 5, and then adjoint we will get. So we have changed rows into columns, and then we have, now this is minus 5. So we have this value that is equal to minus 5. So 10 minus 15, 5. And then we can write, if you want, you can write this equal to, divide it by minus 5. Then we have this will be minus 2, 4 by 5, 9 by 5, then 3, then minus 4 by 5, minus 14 by 5, then minus 1, 1 by 5, and 6 by 5. So this is my inverse of the matrix. This was asked in 2019 for set 2. Then we have get 2010, and this was asked adjoint. You can see we have, actually again this is not adjoint. We have this as cofactor. I have made mistake everywhere. This is cofactor. So we have just changed and this sign change. And then we have determinant. So we have 12, and then we have adjoint, actually 3 minus 2i. So this is, we have changed this sign, minus I becomes I, and I becomes minus I. And here if I will go to transpose, then sorry, this is directly adjoint. We have taken that just by 2 by 2 we have, this is adjoint only. We have changed this, and we have changed sign of this, and that will gives me directly adjoint. So this is adjoint only, this is plus only. So 3 minus 2i minus I plus I, 3 plus 2i. 2 by 2 we have adjoint just by changing this 3 minus 2i, I minus I, 3 minus 2i. This is my matrix. So I have to just, sorry, this is 3 plus 2. I have to just exchange this element, and then I have to just change the sign of these elements. That directly gives me adjoint. Then we have, this was asked in 2007, and then we have to just change this element. So I have changed these elements, and we have changed this sign. And then we have determinant minus 3, and then we have this value that is 7 minus 2 minus 5, 1. And then we have to change this 7 upon minus 3, minus 2 upon minus 3. So becomes plus. So 5 by 3 we can write minus 1 by 3. So this is the inverse. So we have to go likewise for the inverse. So these are the some problems which are asked in GATE examination. And then we will stop here only. Thank you.